Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Archero 2 gear list. In today's quick guide, we're diving into the 2025 Archero 2 gear list. Instead of ranking set as a whole, we're evaluating each gear piece individually so you know exactly what's worth using. Let's start with the Oracle Spear, top tier for PvE, but weaker in PvP, still a solid S tier weapon. The Oracle Amulet and Helmet follow close behind for their powerful combo boost. Meanwhile, the Echo Wand lands in A tier, ideal for PvE but blocking in PvP. The Griffith Claw also earns an S tier spot for its raw damage, while the Echo Ring unfortunately drops B tier due to limited synergy. Not all gear shines equally, though the Destruction set, for example, falls short, except for its chestplate, which gains A tier status for PvP survivability. Lastly, the Ring of Decisiveness offers decent early game crit boost, great for beginners. And there you go, a streamlined Arc Hero 2 gear ranking to help your gear up smarter. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.